Hello, in this video I'm going to be sharing my favorite way to be making money online, passive income online, what I've learned over the years over trying so many ways to make money online and making money online with lots of ways, and why I think what I'm going to share with you is the best. My name is Rachel Esley and I make videos on this channel all about making money online, online business, online marketing, and in general, living your best life. What's the point of making all this internet money if we're not enjoying our life? So if you're into that kind of stuff, stick around. So let's start this video off with a little disclaimer, and that is the way that I'm sharing might not be the best way for you. There are so many ways to make money online, so many people who are making millions and millions and millions of dollars every single month doing some of the things that I'm going to share with you that I'm not doing anymore, that I don't want to do anymore because it's just not for me. So what might be for someone and working really well for someone might just not work for you. It just might not be your thing. It's not that if it's not working for you right away that it's not your thing, but certain things you're just going to like better. You might buy someone's online course that teaches how to make money online some certain way and you follow the steps exactly. You are following all the steps, you watch the course, you're asking questions on the coaching calls, and it's still not working for you. Sometimes that happens, but again, what I want to share with you is what I found to work the best for me and for other people. So let's go over different ways to make money online. I'm just going to name off a few. There is agency work, starting an agency where you're doing work for another business. Let's say you're doing an online marketing agency where you help businesses with their social media or their advertising or their sales funnels, their marketing. An agency would typically have multiple clients. This is similar to also freelance work. Freelance work is maybe when you're a little more solopreneur. Perhaps you don't have a team and you're not delegating the work or outsourcing the work and you're just doing stuff yourself, such as running online advertising campaigns, posting to a client's Instagram, or doing graphic design, or doing copywriting. There's so many skill sets that you can do, that you can learn to make money online actively by getting clients, freelance clients or agency clients. And this is a really great way to start if you want. This is how I started. This is how a lot of people start, is doing social media for a small business or creating websites, writing emails and social media captions, copywriting, learning graphic design, doing video editing. It's also the things that I'm going to share with you. You don't have to pick just one. Sometimes I do pick up an agency client or a freelance client. I don't really like to much anymore, but sometimes I do. Why don't I like to so much anymore? That's the big thing. Well, because it's still active. It's still very active. You don't get paid unless you do the work. It's still time trade for money. It's not necessarily, oh, I'm charging $100 an hour. I give you 1 hour of my time. You give me $100. Let's say you are writing up an email marketing campaign for a client and you charge $1,000, but then it's still going to take you 20 hours. Okay, you can break down the math, $50 an hour. You're still doing time trade for money. I now am more into just not time trade for money, less active work and more passive income. So a little bit more on that later. Let's talk about some more ways to be making money online. Again, these ways that I'm sharing aren't necessarily bad. They can be good, and I've done them all, but I'm kind of sharing the pros and cons. So pro to agency work, freelance work is you could start very quickly and pick up some clients. So now let's talk about coaching and consulting. This is trading your advice for money, which oftentimes is still active. It's still time trade. It's still, let's get on a 1 hour call or get on a call each week for an hour. So 4 calls a month. Here's the price. You're still trading your time for money. It's not bad. You can charge very high rates. You can be getting paid thousands of dollars an hour for your advice. Plenty of coaches and consultants would say that's not even the way to do it. Don't even compare it to the time you're putting in anyway. But when it breaks down to it, you're still going to be spending some time. Yes, you can get paid tens of thousands of dollars for one little piece of advice, for one phone call. In the beginning though, starting your career, that's typically not going to happen. It's going to break down to some type of hourly rate, a few $100s an hour, whatever it is, more or less, whatever that is. But you're still getting on calls. You're still meeting with clients. Again, this is not bad, but you got to ask yourself, is that really what I want to spend my time doing? I've done it. I've done plenty of it. Group coaching, one-on-one consulting, a bunch of calls here, charging the big bucks for it. Yet, something about still getting on a call. Like, it's just something, and you might thrive on getting on calls. Maybe you want to be getting on calls, but I feel for myself, after a while, getting on so many calls, so many meetings, so many Zooms, coming in my Zoom room, it can get a little tiring. And this just comes down to, like, how do you want to be spending your time? So for me, in my life, I realized I would prefer more free time. I would prefer less time working, more time chilling, more time doing whatever I want to do, relaxing, doing nothing, having fun, learning, but maybe some less time fulfilling the agency work, the services, fulfilling the coaching, the consulting, the advice. So that brings in the concept of what kinds of ways can I be making money online where I don't have to do much fulfillment, where I can just make the sale, make the money, and not have to then deliver something. Before we get into that, let's talk about another popular online business that a lot of people do, that I've done. E-commerce, selling physical products online. This could be through your own sales funnel, online store, Shopify store. This could be through Amazon, eBay. There's just like so many ways to be selling physical products online. You can really scale this up with paid traffic, with brand deals, and have this business in the e-commerce space that delivers actual physical goods to people. I have done it. I don't particularly like it, again, because the fulfillment and then the logistics, the shipping, you might have storage and inventory. Maybe you don't have inventory if you're doing drop shipping. There's different ways to do e-commerce, but then there's like the returns, customers returning things, and credit card processing issues, and one thing breaks and then a bunch of orders get messed up and then a bunch of unhappy customers. I mean, that can happen with digital products also. That can happen with online courses. Okay, let's move on from e-commerce to online courses. Online courses is a great business that I really actually love, because you can make an online course once, record a course, and then sell it over and over and over again and really scale that up. I really do like that business model. I would say that's like my second favorite, but it's not what I'm going to be sharing, which is my first favorite. Is online courses my second favorite, or would I say maybe YouTube is my second favorite? So let's also talk about YouTube. YouTube is great because you can talk about whatever you want. You can do research and find out what are going to be the popular topics, the popular titles where you can get a lot of views, and then you can be paid from YouTube ad revenue, which is great. The ads that are playing on YouTube, you get a cut of that. You can be selling your online courses with your YouTube videos. And then also you can be doing affiliate marketing with your YouTube videos, which brings me into what I want to really talk about right now in this video is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you send traffic to an offer and you make a commission off of it, but you don't have to do fulfillment of the offer. This can be someone else's physical e-commerce product. This can be someone else's online course, or their coaching program, or a software, or a delivery service, or any type of service. You get an affiliate link, a tracking link, people click on the link, and you get paid. There are so many types of affiliate offers and different commission structures. I prefer, if it's a one-time commission, I would prefer for it to be higher ticket. And then I also really love softwares or recurring programs where maybe it's lower ticket, a lower commission each month, but you would be getting paid every single month as long as the person is still paying for the service. And again, you don't have to do any fulfillment. You just send the traffic. And this can be very passive income. This is what it's all about, is creating passive income. I've personally known for quite a while that I have wanted and want and desire passive income over active income. I have forgotten many times of my life. I've gotten sucked down back the rabbit hole of active income, of time trade for money, of working extremely hard, exerting a lot of effort, working so many hours, so many phone calls and meetings, and lots of hard work, and maybe not necessarily smart work, all in the name of creating active income, where my time could have, and I'm not saying I have any regrets, but looking forward, it's like, wow, that same amount of time can be spent building passive income streams where the work is done once and then pays you over and over and over and over again for years to come. So with affiliate marketing, you got to find the offer, and then you need to choose your traffic sources. And you want to make sure you're doing passive traffic sources. So an active traffic source where you have to do this but then do it over and over and over again would be like live streaming, posting on Facebook. When you post on Facebook, the post gets flushed down the feed. It's not that these traffic sources don't work. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, where you do a post or you do a live stream, they could still get you traffic, but the post is up on the news feed for like a day. Whereas if we're using SEO, search engine optimization, for platforms such as YouTube or Google or Bing, the search engines, content that we create can be getting traffic for years and years and years to come. So this is YouTube videos. This is blog posts, articles, website pages. This SEO, search engine optimization of YouTube videos and articles, blog posts is passive traffic. You do the work once, you write the post, you do the video, and then you get traffic for years to come. I personally have done plenty of active traffic, plenty of live streams, launches, 10-day launches, email blasts, text message blasts. And it's not that live streams don't work. It's not that launching, doing an online campaign, launching an offer and getting like a bunch of traffic at once. It's not that it doesn't work and that you can't make really good money from it. But all of that work that I did do in the past is not getting me traffic today, where when I create more evergreen content, it does get me traffic today. And what's interesting is when you do a live stream video, it's typically like 30 minutes, an hour, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, where if you're doing a pre-recorded video for YouTube, oftentimes these are 7 minutes to 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Or let's say you are putting together a tutorial blog post and it takes you 4 hours to put together, whereas a launch on social media can be taking you 8-hour days every single day. In the past, I have hustled a lot. And again, I'm not saying that working hard is bad, or if you want to put in 8-hour days or 10-hour days, do it. Do what you feel called to do. If you feel like you're not working hard enough and you should be working harder, then yes, of course you should be doing that. But also we want to identify, am I working smart? Am I working just for the sake of working? Am I working because I feel guilty? Do I feel guilty that if I'm not working hard and putting in all these hours and always on calls and always on social media and checking my messages and checking my phone, that I'm not working hard enough? So then I'm not deserving of whatever result. That's not a good mindset to take. We want to have the mindset of, I'm deserving of so much money, wealth, success in my business, so much abundance, and I'm worthy and deserving of achieving that with not so much hard work, not so much effort and time. Is there a way that it could be easier? Is there an easier, faster, smarter way, easier path that can be taken? And personally, it's taken me time to get even more and more clear on my reasons why I want and desire and prefer to continue to grow my passive income streams. So when I was younger, I mean, just like a little while ago, it's just to have more free time, travel more, do more fun things. And as I get older, I want to have time to have a family as I'm older. Maybe right now you have a family. Maybe you're married, you have kids, and you want to make time for your family. You want to have time for your family. You don't want all of your time being focused on work and at the computer. And right now is a perfect time to get very clear on that desire. Really claim it, put a stake in the ground and admit it to the world and say, I would love and I desire and I am going to create multiple streams of income, multiple streams of passive income. So when I do get up and go to the computer and get down to work, I am working on something that is going to take care of me and my family and the causes that I care about for years to come, not just a one-time exchange. So every day I try to identify, what am I doing with my time? Am I working on something that is an active income stream? And I try to recognize it and reduce that. I've gotten pretty good actually at almost completely eliminating it, and then all of the time I am working, it's to build my passive income stream. So again, this doesn't mean that I'm not working. It doesn't mean I'm not actively sitting here behind the camera right now, but this is a one-time video that will get traffic for years to come. In this video, for example, I don't have a particular affiliate offer that I'm promoting. In the description below, you'll see my recommendations of courses and offers and softwares that I like. And the really cool thing about YouTube and affiliate marketing is you really can make videos about whatever topics that you want, but you can also get laser focus specific. So for instance, I have videos on this channel that are about online sales funnels where I'm promoting the Clickfunnels offer. And the titles of those videos are very specific, and the people that watch those videos have a lot of buyer intent. So my offers, my affiliate links get more clicks, get more traffic, and then get more sales, which is more affiliate commissions passively recurring every month for me. I am going to link in the description below more videos that I have on this channel about affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in it, you can dive deeper into this. Be sure to like this video, comment below what your biggest takeaway was. Are you working on building any passive income streams right now? Do you have an online business? Do you have an affiliate marketing business? And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.